Have you ever stopped to think about how artificial intelligence is shaping our future? From the moment you use a virtual assistant to its impact on industries like healthcare and education, AI is a transformative force in our lives. But what does it really mean to be smart for a machine? In this video, we will unravel the concept of artificial intelligence and explore its applications, challenges, and ethical implications. Stay with us and discover how this fascinating technology is redefining our world. Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, refers to computer systems that have the ability to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes activities such as voice recognition, decision-making, problem-solving, and learning. Over the years, the definition and limits of AI have evolved, but at its core, it seeks to simulate human intelligence in machines. A common example of AI in use today is the virtual assistant on our smartphones, which can understand voice commands and answer questions. Furthermore, AI can be classified into two main categories: narrow AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, and general AI, which has a broader understanding and can perform multiple functions. Although narrow AI is the most prevalent form today, there is growing interest and research focused on general AI, which promises to revolutionize many areas of our daily lives. In this context, it is essential that we understand not only what AI is, but also how it is incorporated into the countless technologies we use daily, transforming the way we live and work. The history of artificial intelligence goes back decades, starting in the 1950s and 1960s, when early researchers began exploring the potential of machines that could think and learn. One of the early milestones was the Dartmouth Conference in 1956, where the term artificial intelligence was used for the first time. During the following years, there was considerable optimism surrounding the growth of AI, with many teachers and students believing that, within a short time, we would be able to create machines that could imitate human intelligence. However, this progress has encountered obstacles, leading to periods known as AI winters, where research into artificial intelligence has been significantly curtailed due to unmet expectations. Only in the last 2 decades, with the advancement of computing, increased data storage capacity, and the development of more sophisticated algorithms, has AI finally begun to leave theory and become part of our daily lives. Technologies such as machine learning and neural networks, influenced by biology concepts, have revolutionized the way we interact with machines, allowing the creation of virtual assistants, recommendation systems, and much more. This story, full of ups and downs, reveals the potential of AI and the complexity of creating machines that can truly think. The importance of artificial intelligence in modern society is undeniable. From the way we consume information to the way we approach different sectors like healthcare, education, and entertainment, AI plays a crucial role. For example, in medicine, algorithms are being used to analyze image exams, diagnose diseases, and even suggest personalized treatments, improving the accuracy and speed of these processes. In the field of education, adaptive systems are being developed to personalize learning for each student, adjusting content based on individual difficulties and progress. Furthermore, in sectors such as transportation, AI is driving the development of autonomous vehicles, promising a significant transformation in urban mobility. This not only has the potential to increase road safety, but also reduce congestion and pollutant emissions. AI also impacts the world of work, automating routine tasks and allowing professionals to focus on more strategic and creative activities. However, this transformation brings to light an important challenge: the need to adapt and reskill the workforce to ensure that workers can thrive in a future where AI is the norm. As artificial intelligence becomes increasingly present in our lives, ethical questions are beginning to emerge in force. One of the main concerns is related to data privacy. Because AI needs large volumes of data to learn and improve, there is a constant risk that personal information will be used without individuals' proper consent. Another critical point is the potential automation of functions that could result in job losses for humans, raising the need for a debate on the social responsibility of companies when implementing these technologies. Furthermore, the possibility of bias and discrimination in AI algorithms raises serious questions about fairness. Systems that learn from partial or biased data can perpetuate social inequalities by reinforcing harmful and unfair stereotypes. Therefore, the discussion on the regulation and governance of AI is essential, as is the need for an ethical approach when building artificial intelligence systems. As a society, we must ensure that the future of AI not only improves our lives, but does so in a responsible and fair way, benefiting everyone and not just a select few. Weak artificial intelligence, also known as narrow AI, refers to systems designed to perform specific tasks with a level of performance that can surpass that of a human. This form of artificial intelligence does not have the ability to reason or understand beyond the scope of its remit. A practical example of the use of weak AI is in virtual assistants such as Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. These tools can answer questions, play music, or control devices in your home, but they don't have complete understanding or consciousness. Weak AI uses algorithms and a vast set of data to deliver effective results based on already established standards. This specialization is extremely useful in various applications, such as in the financial sector, where algorithms analyze data to predict market trends, or in the entertainment industry, which uses personalized recommendations on platforms such as Netflix and Spotify. Despite its limitations in terms of general intelligence, weak AI is responsible for many of the technologies we use every day and continues to develop with technological innovations. On the other hand, strong artificial intelligence, also called general AI, is a concept that refers to machines that have the ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence in a similar way to humans. This means that a strong AI could theoretically perform any cognitive task that a human is capable of, from solving complex problems to understanding emotions. Although the idea of strong artificial intelligence fascinates many people and sparks discussions in different areas, currently, this type of AI has not yet been achieved. Researchers are exploring concepts such as self-reflection, empathy, and morality, trying to create machines that not only imitate human behavior but also have a true understanding of the world around them. However, creating strong AI raises challenging ethical questions, such as the responsibility and control we would have over machines with intelligence similar to our own. Despite being far from our reality, debates about strong AI stimulate the imagination and lead us to reflect on the future of interaction between humans and machines. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating algorithms and models that allow machines to learn from data. Instead of being directly programmed to perform a task, these machines can identify patterns and make predictions based on the information they receive. This process is similar to the way humans learn through experience. A common example of using machine learning is online ad personalization, where algorithms analyze user behavior to present relevant content. Furthermore, machine learning is used in medical diagnoses, identifying diseases through the analysis of data from exams and clinical records. The most common techniques in this area include supervised learning, where a model is trained with labeled data, and unsupervised learning, where the machine searches for patterns without external guidance. The power of machine learning lies in its ability to continually improve with new information, making systems increasingly efficient over time. Neural networks and deep learning are fundamental concepts within machine learning. Neural networks are computational structures that simulate the functioning of the human brain, consisting of layers of interconnected neurons that process information. When we talk about deep learning, we refer to neural networks with multiple layers, which are capable of learning data representations at hierarchical levels. This type of approach allows machines to perform complex tasks, such as image recognition and natural language processing, with surprising accuracy. Each layer of the neural network builds a representation of the data, starting with simple features and moving on to more complex interpretations. For example, in a neural network trained to recognize faces, the initial layers might identify shapes and contours, while deeper layers process facial features and ultimately determine who the person is. This technology is widely applied in security systems, personal assistants, and even social media platforms, where image identification is a critical part. The advancement of neural networks and deep learning represents a significant step in the evolution of artificial intelligence, providing tools that significantly improve the interaction between humans and machines. The application of artificial intelligence in industry has provided a significant transformation in several sectors. From automating processes to optimizing operations, companies are using AI to increase efficiency and reduce costs. For example, in manufacturing, robots equipped with AI technologies are used to perform repetitive and dangerous tasks, allowing workers to focus on more strategic functions. These robots not only operate on production lines, but also learn and adapt over time, continually improving their capabilities. Furthermore, AI is used to predict machine failures before they happen, through predictive analysis, which reduces downtime and associated costs. Sectors such as agriculture also benefit from AI, with techniques that help monitor the health of crops and optimize the use of resources such as water and fertilizers. In short, artificial intelligence is shaping the future of the industry, making processes more efficient, safe, and sustainable. In everyday life, artificial intelligence is present in various activities that we often do not notice. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa are classic examples of how AI can make our lives easier. They help us manage daily tasks, such as setting reminders, playing music, and even providing quick information, all from simple voice commands. Additionally, many smartphone apps utilize AI to improve the user experience. For example, photography apps use image recognition algorithms to automatically beautify photos or identify faces. Social media is also heavily driven by AI, which analyzes our behaviors to suggest relevant content and personalized ads. With the growth of smart home technology, temperature controllers, security systems, and even household appliances are becoming more intelligent and connected, allowing integrated and automated management of our home. This constant presence of AI in everyday life not only makes our lives more convenient, but also opens up a range of possibilities for a more connected future. Artificial intelligence also plays a fundamental role in the health and well-being of the population. The application of AI in medicine has been revolutionizing the way diagnoses and treatments are carried out. With advanced algorithms, it is possible to analyze image exams with impressive precision, helping doctors in the early detection of diseases. Systems that use AI are capable of identifying patterns that may go unnoticed by the human eye, such as in cases of cancer and other pathologies. Furthermore, treatment personalization is a rapidly expanding area, where AI helps create health plans tailored to each patient's individual needs, considering history, genetics, and lifestyle. Another important application is remote patient monitoring, which allows doctors to monitor health conditions in real time, offering quick interventions when necessary. This not only improves the quality of care, but also promotes greater autonomy for patients. Therefore, artificial intelligence proves to be a powerful ally in transforming health, with significant implications for people's quality of life. Electronic games have benefited enormously from innovations in artificial intelligence, providing more immersive and challenging experiences for players. AI is used to create enemies that adapt to each user's play style, bringing a level of challenge that is both rewarding and intriguing. Instead of following predictable patterns, AI-controlled characters can learn from player behavior, making the experience more dynamic and engaging. Furthermore, AI is also responsible for generating more realistic virtual worlds, where not only the graphics, but also the interaction of the characters and the surrounding environment respond intelligently to the player's actions. This technology is not just restricted to action games, but is also applied to virtual board games and simulators, where strategy and decision-making are essential. Game difficulty can be adjusted automatically with AI, helping new players familiarize themselves with the rules while challenging veterans. With the continued growth of AI, the future of gaming promises to bring even more exciting and interesting innovations. The technical challenges of artificial intelligence, AI, are varied and complex, reflecting the difficulty in simulating human reasoning effectively. One of the main obstacles is the need for large amounts of data to train the algorithms. This data must be of high quality and representative. Otherwise, the results obtained may be inaccurate or even misleading. For example, if an AI system is fed with data that does not cover all relevant variables of a situation, the decision-making generated by it will be flawed. Furthermore, the processing time and computing power required to train sophisticated AI models can be significant, representing large investments that are often not within the reach of small companies or institutions. Another challenge is the ability to generalize. An AI that is successful in specific tasks may not perform adequately in different situations, reflecting the difficulty in extrapolating learning from one context to another. This means that machines lack the flexibility of the human mind and often operate well within a limited set of data, but fail when exposed to new circumstances. Therefore, investing in research to develop more robust and resilient algorithms is crucial to overcoming these obstacles and ensuring that AI becomes even more useful and efficient in our society. The ethical and legal implications of artificial intelligence are an emerging field that requires careful reflection and ongoing debate. With the increasing adoption of AI come questions about accountability and transparency. For example, when an AI system makes a bad decision, such as determining loan eligibility, who is responsible? This dilemma presents the need to establish clear legal frameworks that outline responsibilities and obligations for both developers and end users of AI technologies. Furthermore, the issue of data privacy is central. With the collection of personal information on a large scale, it is essential that there are strict guidelines on how this data is handled, stored, and shared. Legislation, such as the General Data Protection Law, LGPD, in Brazil, aims to protect the rights of citizens in this new digital environment and must constantly evolve to keep up with the progress of technologies. Finally, ethics in AI cannot be neglected. Companies and institutions must ensure that the development and use of AI are guided by ethical principles that guarantee justice, equity, and respect for human rights. Therefore, it is essential that there is engagement between technologists, legislators, and civil society in creating a future where artificial intelligence is developed and applied in a responsible manner. The threat of algorithmic bias is one of the most worrying challenges in the field of artificial intelligence. Because AI systems are fed real-world data, if that data contains biases or inequities, the AI tends to reproduce and amplify these flaws. For example, in contexts such as recruitment or candidate selection, algorithms that learn from historical data may perpetuate discrimination if, in the past, decisions were influenced by gender or racial biases. This results not only in injustices but also in a loss of trust in AI technologies. To mitigate this risk, it is essential to implement rigorous data audit processes and increase diversity in the teams developing these systems. Diversity brings different perspectives and experiences, contributing to the creation of fairer solutions. Furthermore, developing algorithms that can identify and correct bias is a growing area of research. Transparency is also essential. Users must understand how AI decisions are made, which can be achieved through clearer explanations of algorithmic processes. By actively combating algorithmic bias, we can ensure that AI operates ethically and equitably, benefiting everyone fairly. The future of artificial intelligence is promising, but it is not free from uncertainties. With technological advancements accelerating, foresight and adaptation will be keys to success. AI is expected to continue to transform industries as varied as healthcare, education, and transportation. However, these advances come with the need for careful regulation and management to ensure that AI is used responsibly and for the common benefit. The personalization of consumer experiences and process automation are just some of the areas that promise to expand. For example, in healthcare, AI can revolutionize diagnoses and treatments, enabling more personalized and effective approaches. In education, adaptive learning technologies can transform teaching, making it more accessible and inclusive. On the other hand, we also need to consider the impact of AI on employment. Although automation can bring efficiency and cost reduction, it can generate insecurity and unemployment in some sectors. Therefore, societies will have to adapt, focusing on reskilling and continuing education so that the workforce can thrive in a rapidly changing scenario. Finally, research into ethics in AI will be at the center of the discussion about its future, with the need to ensure that technological developments continue to respect fundamental values of justice and equality. In short, the future of AI is full of potential and challenges, and navigating them will require joint collaboration between governments, businesses, and civil society. Throughout this journey through artificial intelligence, we have learned that its evolution is a reflection of society's needs and aspirations. AI, which began as a theoretical concept in the 1950s and 1960s, has become an indispensable tool in many sectors of our lives. We've seen how it's present in our smartphones, virtual assistants, and even healthcare, influencing everything from medical diagnoses to the personalization of learning experiences. We also reflect on the challenges faced, such as data privacy and the need to ensure that AI technologies are developed in an ethical and participatory way. This knowledge helps us understand not only the technology itself, but also the social and ethical implications that permeate its use. Understanding what artificial intelligence is and how it works allows us to be more critical and informed consumers of the technologies that shape our daily lives, as well as preparing us for a future in which AI will be even more integrated into our daily activities. The coexistence between humans and artificial intelligence raises an interesting debate. Will AI be an ally or a rival? This question simply transcends technology and goes into social and psychological aspects. While, on the one hand, AI is seen as a powerful tool that can free humans from repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on more creative and emotional activities. On the other hand, there are concerns about the possibility of the technology usurping jobs and even influence important decisions in our lives. In practice, AI can serve as support in areas such as education, where it personalizes learning for each student, or in healthcare, where it collaborates with doctors on diagnoses. However, we need to address concerns about social inequality and the impact on employment relationships. The central question is not just whether AI is a friend or a foe, but how we can shape this relationship so that it improves everyone's lives and preserves human value. The answer lies in our ability to adapt, regulate, and use this technology in a conscious and empathetic way. In the current scenario, the regulation of artificial intelligence becomes an urgent need as technological innovations advance at a rapid pace. With the increasing proliferation of AI systems, the role of legislation and public policies is fundamental in ensuring that these technologies are used in an ethical and responsible manner. The absence of standards can lead to unintended consequences, such as algorithmic discrimination or privacy violations. In many countries, there is a movement towards creating guidelines that guide the development and implementation of AI, ensuring that the technology respects human rights and promotes social justice. This also implies the need to involve various interested parties, from technology companies to representatives of civil society, in the discussion of the guidelines. Regulation should not be seen as an obstacle to innovation, but as a way to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared equitably. The challenge is finding the balance between encouraging technological innovation and protecting the rights of individuals in an increasingly automated world. Reflecting on the potential of artificial intelligence for humanity is a crucial exercise, especially when we consider the promises and dangers that this technology entails. On the one hand, AI has the potential to transform entire sectors, improve efficiency in production processes, and even contribute to solving global problems, such as climate change. On the other hand, this power brings with it immense responsibility, as automated decisions can negatively impact the lives of millions of people. It is vital that we include human values in algorithms and that our AI projects are guided by ethical principles. This means prioritizing transparency, accountability, and inclusion in the development of these systems. After all, AI must serve the common good and facilitate a fairer society in which diverse voices are heard. Dialogue about the future of AI is essential to shape a reality where technology joins the humanization of care and the improvement of everyday life, always with an eye on what is fair and ethical. Artificial intelligence represents a powerful tool that, if used ethically and responsibly, can positively transform society. However, it is essential that we address the ethical and social issues involved, ensuring that everyone benefits from this technological evolution and that human values are always prioritized. We are here to listen to you. What story or topic about artificial intelligence would you like to explore in the next videos? Your opinion is important. With the growth of artificial intelligence, what concerns do you have about its impact on our daily lives? Do you believe the benefits outweigh the risks? If you like this video and want to stay up to date with more content about technology and its implications in our lives, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss the next video.